But we're just gonna wipe off some dust. Oh, when you rip, you get sort of dust in between your muscles. So clean it out. We've got a wheel set here from Nepest. Nepest. Here is your pest. I'm gonna unbox these bad boys. Hope it's not too windy today. It's the start of spring here in Adelaide, Australia, and our body fat is low. We're gonna do a bit of fitness for summer. We're gonna do a bit of training, see how fast we can get in summertime. So this is my winter physique here, being a lazy winter, and fitness feels pretty good though. I haven't done much training this year, the last couple of years, 3 years really. But you know, we stay on point with nutrition, and we're good to go. Let's have a look at these wheels. So I've got the spoke. Be careful with your eyeballs. So in here we have, I'm gonna pull it out as we go. Okay, so unbox it with me. Cardboard for recycling, plastic for, looks like an airbag, put out some shoes, and then we have, oh, this is a, wow, man. It's a wheel bag, something for the cats to play with. Wow, this is a wheel bag. Jeez. Never had wheels. I've bought Envies. Actually, my lightweights come with a wheel bag. Yeah. Okay, cool. Alright, so we have some wheels here. Hello. And a disc brake. Disc for dirt, rim for road. So we'll put these in the SL7 tarmac. Wow, they're sort of shallow section. Hooked rims. I said please don't send me any hookless stuff. I'm not a fan of hookless. I think hookless road is dangerous. Wow, they feel good. Carbon spokes in there. I don't know if you can really see that there, but yeah, they feel pretty good. I'll just unbox it and then we'll do a video about the wheels. They feel pretty good. We'll put these on the SL7 tarmac, shall we, and see how they go. They feel pretty good. Got your little covers on here. This is Senlock disc. Yep. Very straight out of the box. Yeah, I do like that hook rim. It feels pretty good. The quality now you're getting out of these factories, it's amazing. The bearings feel very nice. Free hub body feels good. It's an alloy free hub body, so sometimes I can get chunked out, but otherwise good to go. Yeah, wow. Let's check on the bike and see how they ride. This is the unboxing. Let me switch the camera around. I'll show you. You can see what I'm seeing here. It's an alloy free hub body, and yeah, carbon spokes. Very, very well finished. The carbon rim feels really good. I like this Maui 35. The finish is quite excellent. Let's have a look at that hooked rim. Hooked rim for safety. Please don't ride hookless rim, people, on a road bike. Please don't do that. Always have hooked, okay? Always have hooked. Yeah. So this will need some rim tape in here. So put some rim tape in over there. So I'm not a fan of road tubeless. I'm a fan of hooked with tubes. Okay, or tubeless. Hooked is better. Hookless, dangerous. So the finish looks pretty good. Nepest ceramic. So they look, yeah, interesting names they have coming out of China, but the quality feels pretty good. Just in your hand, it feels quality. I'm not just saying that because I've got a free pair, but they feel good. I don't review anything I wouldn't use myself. So we'll put these in the SL7. I can use them on a gravel bike as well. They don't do any rim brake options at the moment, but yeah, so these will be on the SL7. Maybe we can save some weight off those Revals. And so they have like a serial number in there as well, so that's etched into the rim. Good thing to take a photo of that in case your bike's ever stolen, etc. But the quality looks pretty good, doesn't it? You know, it looks pretty good. Wow, nice and round. I've seen Reval rims, not so good quality, but finish wise, yeah, it looks as good as any top end carbon wheel set. I was like, hey, you guys didn't send me any rim tapes. They did. They got rim tape here, okay? And they got tubes. Sorry, tubeless valves. So there we go. They did come with it, so it's in the little pocket. Okay, and spare spokes, yeah. Thank you very much. And a little spacer there if you want to run 10-speed cassette. Alright, so I'll set these up. I'm not a fan of tubeless, but that's my personal opinion, my personal experience. I'll set these up with tubes and we'll put these on the SL8 tarmac. Did I say SL7 before? SL8 tarmac. Sweet.